Hi everyone, Gary here from Lush Turf Solutions. This video you're about to see is going to show you how we install our premium quality synthetic turf. Artificial turf can be installed over concrete, tiles, CFC sheeting, pavers and decking. But for this video we're going to show you how it's installed over a crusher dust subbase. So let's jump in. The first step is to remove the existing natural grass and soil. Using a turf cutter, remove the sod and soil to a minimum depth of 50 mil. Once cleared, spread, level and compact the crusher dust. Using a spreader bar, spread the dust evenly so it is ready for compaction. A light wetting down will aid compaction and help compress dust levels. With a plate compactor, compact the entire area several times to ensure good compaction. If you require more than 50 mil depth of fill, ensure you use road base, compacting each 50mm layer of fill. Then finish with a final layer of crusher dust. At Lush Turf Solutions, we prepare the subbase with a concrete perimeter. This ensures the edges are fully secured and provides a much neater finish, amongst other benefits. As a guide, the finished subbase level should be approximately 10 mil below any adjacent paths, tiles, driveways, to avoid a trip hazard. Please check clearances to termite barriers and weep holes to comply with your local building regulations. Now that the base is compacted and we've ensured good fall to the drainage point, we're ready to install our turf. We recommend you leave the turf rolled out flat in the sun for an hour or so to soften and reduce any creases. Now is a good time to power broom the turf. Whilst you can broom the turf once it is installed, doing so now will ensure the entire piece is power broomed and the joins are not disturbed. If you don't have a power broom, you can use a stiff bristle broom or brush. Now that we're ready to install, roll out the turf, ensuring the pile is running in the direction you prefer. For this area, we're going for street appeal, so people will look into the pile when passing by. Once in position, secure the turf using 150mm galvanised pins or nails with a twisted shank, such as a decking nail. Ensure you don't trap the fibres under the pins. Space these out approximately every 400 to 500mm around the perimeter and a few through the middle for extra anchorage. When trimming the turf, fold it back and score a line where it meets the edge or a wall, then trim along this line. You can also use the hard edge as a guide. When joining two pieces of turf, fix the joining cloth to the subbase. It's a good idea to do a dry join first, making sure the two pieces are facing the same way. Spread the adhesive, ensuring good coverage over the joining cloth. Carefully bring the two pieces of turf together and press down firmly, ensuring all of the join contacts the cloth and avoiding overspill of adhesive on the turf fibres. Securing the edges is similar to when joining the turf. Apply a liberal amount of adhesive and ensure good contact with the concrete edge. Our premium quality synthetic turf is manufactured with a yarn that's 20% cooler than standard artificial turfs. It requires no sand infill and is recyclable. Once all edges and joins are secured, you can now sit back, relax and enjoy many years of a low maintenance lush green lawn.